Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when Lexus decides that luxury alone is not enough. The 2027 Lexus RX 500h takes the widely recognized RX formula and transforms it into a vehicle with a far more athletic and futuristic appearance. Your attention is immediately drawn to the massive front grille. Unlike the previous generation, which relied heavily on the spindle shape, this version adopts a cleaner, wider grille featuring horizontal slats that visually reinforce the SUV's road presence. This design creates the impression of a lower, more planted stance while maintaining an unmistakable Lexus identity. Above the grille, a signature LED light bar spans the vehicle's entire width, forming an elegant daytime running light, DRL, signature. This light visually connects the headlights, making the vehicle appear wider than before. In profile, the 2027 RX appears longer, lower, and far more dynamic than its predecessor. The flowing roofline creates a coupe-like silhouette without compromising SUV practicality. One of the most eye-catching features is the sharp, deep sculpting of the doors. Various character lines create dramatic light reflections that shift constantly, depending on lighting conditions. The glossy black paint accentuates every curve, lending a premium, mirror-like finish to the bodywork. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, highlighting the vehicle's blend of luxury and athleticism. The polished finish of the wheels creates a beautiful contrast against the black bodywork. The rear is arguably where the concept looks most futuristic. The standout design element is the LED light bar stretching across the liftgate. An illuminated Lexus script stands out prominently below, reinforcing the vehicle's premium identity. The taillights feature intricate LED graphics that look highly sophisticated when illuminated. The rear spoiler integrates seamlessly with the roofline, enhancing aerodynamics while lending the SUV a sportier feel. Lower down, an aggressive rear diffuser immediately commands attention. Its large, sharply angled openings, inspired by high-performance vehicles, create a far more dramatic look than that of the current production RX model. Stepping inside, the cabin immediately reveals Lexus's commitment to precision craftsmanship. The dashboard is dominated by a panoramic digital display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster, central infotainment screen, and passenger display into a single, elegant layout. The driver is presented with a fully digital instrument cluster featuring crisp graphics that display navigation, hybrid system information, and vehicle settings in a clean, modern format. The central touchscreen appears larger than before and controls nearly all vehicle functions while maintaining a minimalist dashboard design. Premium ambient lighting flows continuously along the dashboard, doors, and center console, creating a warm, lounge-like atmosphere during night drives. Under the hood, this 2027 model year RX 500h will likely retain an advanced hybrid performance system. Potential specifications could include a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain, dual electric motors providing an electronic all-wheel drive (AWD) system, combined power output approaching or exceeding 370 horsepower, a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission or an updated hybrid transmission, instant electric torque for more powerful acceleration, improved fuel efficiency compared to conventional gasoline SUVs. Lexus may also introduce a larger battery pack, enabling a longer range in pure electric mode for city driving. The 2027 Lexus RX 500h presents a compelling vision for the future direction of Lexus's flagship midsize luxury SUV. A bold front fascia, a sharply contoured side profile, futuristic full-width taillights, and a high-tech cabin combine to create a vehicle that feels far more premium and performance-oriented than the current RX model. For buyers seeking a vehicle that blends aggressive styling, advanced hybrid efficiency, and high-end luxury, this concept offers an exciting glimpse into the future of Lexus design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.